Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your phone and TV must share the same Wi-Fi network, and your TV must be ready to receive a cast. Open Chrome on your phone, then tap the three dots menu, choose Cast. If you see devices listed, tap the TV name to begin. You do this now because Chrome discovers devices by network and an active receiver. Once a device appears, Chrome can stream the active tab or a specific media source. Once connected, pick what to send. Choose Cast tab to stream a Chrome tab, Cast screen to mirror the whole display, or pick a local media file for smoother playback. Make sure to grant screen capture permission if mirroring. While casting, control volume and orientation from your phone and use the TV remote for receiver-side controls. If video stutters, lower phone brightness or switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for more stable throughput. To finish, open Chrome's menu and tap Stop Casting. This cleanly ends the session and frees network bandwidth. If your TV doesn't appear, reboot the phone, router, and TV in that order, and verify both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band. Also make sure no VPN or firewall is blocking local discovery. Disable VPNs and temporarily turn off strict firewall settings. If problems persist, update firmware on the TV or update the Chromecast firmware for compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.